In this video, we will show you how to embed Google Form in WordPress. To embed Google Form in WordPress, it's very easy. For example, in here, we have one forms about contact information. Then to embed in WordPress, we need just click this Our button. Okay. On the form, we can select the embed method. Okay. You can adjust width and height you want, but I let it by default. Just copy this code, and in here you need to log in into your WordPress dashboard. Okay, after that select the page or post, whatever you want to embed this page, and in here I want to embed my form on my page in WordPress. Click add new. In here, for example, there is a title. I want to create title contact us, for example, and the block, you can select this button and select custom HTML. Okay, select this and you can paste the code here. And in here, if you preview, okay, the contact form has been embedded successfully. And this is just a suggestion for you. If you want to make the width is responsive, you can just make like this 100% rather than using a fixed method like this. Okay, then we can click preview again. After you embed the contact form like this, you can see there the difference between using fixed width and using 100% width. And that's our tutorial how to embed Google Forms on WordPress website. Hope this video helpful for you.